Bonjour. You don't need to speak French, you only need to dress French. Packing for France can be overwhelming, especially if you want to blend in and avoid to look like a tourist. Forget the cliché, the stripe, the beret. The truth is, French style is all about understated elegance, comfort, and practicality. Bonjour, I'm Alice, I'm French and I live in Paris. And in this video, I'm going to show you what to wear in France in 2025. So many of you keep asking in the comments, I'm going to France next week, I'm going to visit Paris, what should I pack and what should I wear? So this video is your ultimate guide on what to pack and what to wear in France in 2025. And the first thing to know is what is the French dress code? The French dress code is effortless elegance, so casual chic. Looking polished without appearing like you try too hard. Locals favor neutral colors such as white, black, beige, taupe, gray, navy, and they prioritize quality over quantity with timeless pieces that mix easily. Overall, there's a big difference between casual in the States and casual here in France and in Europe. Casual in Europe doesn't mean careless, frumpy, or wearing athleisure clothing. It means simplicity, but intentionality. The key is a balance between comfort and chic, and even the simplest outfit look stylish and intentional. Jeans, trench, shirts are everyday staples, while flashy logo, neon colors, or athleisure clothing should be avoided. And the next thing to wear in France is a relaxed jean. In France, jeans are not casual wear the way they are in the US. They are part of everyday style, often paired with more polished and elevated pieces. In fact, in Paris, especially in Paris, everybody is wearing jeans. It is so versatile, practical, easy to mix and match, and the Parisian uniform is often to mix a jean with a shirt, a white tee, and an elevated blazer. But what type of jean or denim to wear in France? Straight leg, relaxed fit, or slightly wide leg. Avoid ultra skinny, jegging, or super distressed denim. They stand out as non-French. Height or mid-rise, and something that is super popular here in France is the straight leg and cropped, so you can see the shoes. In terms of color, go for a classic linwash blue, dark denim or écru. Avoid something with acid washes, neon color, or extremely fade. It stands out as tourist. And in terms of accessories, if you are wondering what type of accessories French women are wearing, usually they avoid anything that look too expensive, flashy, or designer-like. So forget your 5-carat big ring or your Louis Vuitton Gucci bag. The goal is not to show off, but to elevate or complete the outfit. Let me show you what I absolutely love to wear here in Paris, what type of jewelry and accessories I love to wear as a French woman. And if you were wondering what type of jewelry I am wearing in this outfit, I am wearing Linjer jewelry. I absolutely love this brand because their pieces are minimal, timeless, and made with quality materials like recycled gold and sterling silver. Think delicate hoops, a simple chain, or a bold yet understated ring. Exactly the kind of jewelry French women love to wear every day. The first piece I absolutely love to wear for every day are dainty and statement piece at the same time, like these beautiful pearl drop earrings from Linjer. They feature a baroque freshwater pearl with an emerald gold organic setting in gold vermeil. They are dainty with a little prep vibe, absolutely perfect for every day. French women love jewelry with personal significance, jewelry that feels sentimental. A birthstone necklace feels intimate, sentimental, super personal, and the French version is always minimalist. A small gemstone pendant on a fine gold or silver chain. Like this one from Linjer, this is a gorgeous minimalist gold pendant featuring a set of citrine gemstone. A beautiful match of gold and yellow light. I absolutely love this piece. The necklace is also adjustable at 15, 16 or 17. And forget your 5-carat engagement ring or your big flashy ring. French women do prefer something that feels slightly more subtle, understated and refined. Like this piece also from Linjer. I absolutely love this double band design made in gold vermeil that adds structure and elegance without even feeling showy. Overall, French women do prefer timeless and minimalist jewelry for every day. If you are interested to buy these beautiful pieces from Linjer, do not forget to check below the video. I do have an exclusive offer and I put all the link below the video. And the next thing to wear in France is a weather-ready outerwear. France, especially Paris, is known for its unpredictable weather. Sunny morning can turn into sudden rain show. That's why a weather-ready jacket is absolutely a must. And don't be fooled by our summertime here. I've seen tourists very surprised by extreme rain during July, colder days during August, and this little wind during September. Think light, water-resistant outerwear such as a sleek trench coat with detachable lining. In fact, the trench coat is a piece that locals and French women wear all year long. You can also go for a minimalist raincoat in beige, black or navy that works well in transitional months. For colder months, wear a wool coat layered with a compact umbrella and a scarf that keep you warm and chic. You won't see many people wearing a bulky plastic rain poncho unless during extreme rain or if you are bicycling in France or in Paris. Overall, the golden rule is that French-ready outerwear is functional but never sloppy. No ponchos, no neon or flashy windbreakers. The coat must stay chic while protecting you from the rain or the wind. And the next thing to wear in France is seasonal layer. First, don't forget the light jackets that are absolutely a must-have, especially during transitional months. In fact, from mid-May to mid-October, you don't really need a coat unless it is extremely cold. You need this transitional piece such as a blazer, a suede jacket, a denim jacket or leather jacket. In fact, this type of jackets are everywhere in Paris and in France. Another layer you can wear all year long is the fine knitwear. Think fine cashmere cardigan or wool cardigan dropped over the shoulder or worn as a button top. And I've seen also many tourists very surprised about the wind even during July or August. So a cardigan in wool or in cashmere is absolutely a must-have all year long. A wool merino crew neck, thin enough to layer under a blazer looking polished and timeless, or a knitted vest or sleeveless sweater. The next thing to wear in France in 2025 is a tailored trousers. If jeans aren't your thing, the tailored trouser is the most stylish alternative, and honestly, many French women do also prefer them. They're polished, comfortable, and ideal for travel days when you want to look put together without effort. But what type of trousers should you wear and bring in France? Straight leg, wide leg, or slightly tapered, very popular here, but avoid anything that looks too light, stretchy, or even skinny. French trousers skim the body, but they don't cling. In terms of fabrics, go for wool for autumn and winter, and something slightly lighter and versatile such as cotton or silk for spring and summer. Mid to high rise, subtle pleats or crease for structure. In terms of colors, stick to neutral because they are much more easy to mix and match and very versatile, especially if you are traveling. I will go for black, navy, beige, sand, taupe. And the next thing to wear in France is a smart evening option. In France, evening wear rarely means sequins and high heels. In fact, French women do prefer smart elegant outfits that feel natural. Pieces they could wear to diner, theater, or even a wine bar without looking overdressed. What to pack and what to wear for an evening out in France? I will definitely go for the silk slip dress, a timeless piece that you can wear with a blazer or with a layer and with a kitten heel. The little black dress is also a timeless clothing piece that works for many different occasions. If you are a mature woman or if you are over 50, I would definitely go for the midi dress or even a wrap dress. If you don't like dress, go for a tailored trouser with a silk blouse. And don't forget that it is slightly more casual compared to the States. So a pencil skirt, a midi skirt with a blouse, or even an evening blouse with a jean works perfectly here in France. The next thing to wear in France is comfortable leather shoes. What type of shoes should you bring and wear in France or in Paris? First, a pair of loafers. They are definitely a timeless staple. You can wear all year long here in France or in Paris, especially during winter, with a pair of socks. So many of you also keep asking which type of shoes should you wear when it's raining here in France. I think the patent loafer are definitely the best option. They keep you warm, they protect your feet from the rain, and at the same time, they look super stylish. I absolutely love the patent loafer, especially during autumn and winter. A pair of ballet flat, I absolutely love ballet flat because they look stylish, versatile, and they are super comfortable. You can walk with ballet flat and you can wear them with a skirt, with a dress, with a trouser. They're also good option for evening out and they don't take a lot of space in your suitcase. Another must-have, definitely a pair of sneakers, especially if you walk around in Paris, for example, or if you're visiting a museum. I would definitely bring a good pair of sneakers, but avoid something that looks too bulky, sporty, something that is not appropriate enough in the city. I would avoid sporty or mountain shoes, please. Not something you should wear, but go for a Veja, for example. They are extremely popular here in Paris or in France. Stan Smith, yes, Stan Smith, super popular here in Paris. Go for something that looks still polished and not too sporty. And if you do have enough space in your suitcase, bring a pair of ankle boots. Definitely a must-have, especially for winter. If you're coming in France during winter time, during Christmas, I would definitely maybe switch the pair of loafer for a pair of ankle boots and maybe an evening option like kitten heel, pump, or an evening shoes option. And the next thing to wear in France is a good structure bag. What type of bag should you wear and what type of bag to avoid in France? First, you should avoid the backpack that looks very touristy, and unfortunately many pickpockets also can open your backpack from behind. Another bag you should avoid is the fanny pack that also look very touristy. Avoid also the designer flashy logo bag. Forget your Chanel, forget your Hermes or your Louis Vuitton. You might also be targeted by pickpocket. The bag you should absolutely wear and look for here in France are definitely the medium-size structure crossbody bag. I will definitely avoid the oversized tote because you might be also targeted by pickpocket. It's very easily accessible, so go for a structure crossbody bag you can close definitely with no logo. And let's end this video with different outfit ideas you can wear here in France while staying true to the French dress code. The first outfit is for walking in the city. You want to look polished, elegant, but at the same time super comfortable. I would go for a straight leg denim or a tailored trouser, a white tee or shirt, a trench and a blazer depending on the weather, a pair of sneakers. Avoid something that looks too sporty or bulky. Go for a city smart option and a structured crossbody bag. You are ready to walk in France or in Paris while staying what we say casual chic. The second outfit is for cultural or museum visit. I would avoid something that looks too casual. Definitely avoid oversized hoodie, sweater, or anything that looks too athleisure. Go for a wide leg trouser, perfect, a midi skirt, a knit or a shirt, a pair of flat, ballet flat, loafer, or a pair of sneakers. Please avoid Crocs or flip-flop. And the last option is for evening out or diner here in France or in Paris. Don't forget that it is slightly more casual compared to the States. I will go for the little black dress or a slip dress or a tailored trouser with a silk blouse. Don't forget the little kitten pump or a pair of flats, a blazer or a light layer, and a small crossbody bag. But again, forget the bodycon dress, the sequin evening gown. It is slightly more casual chic. That's it for today about what to wear here in France in 2025. Please let me know what you think about this video. Let me know if you have any question. Please comment below. I will be super happy to answer any of your comments and your questions. So many of you keep asking what to wear here in France and in Paris. Let me know also if you want to see more what to wear in France, more seasonal, like what to wear in France for spring, for summer, for autumn, or for winter. Please let me know below the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to follow me also on my other social media. And I see you very soon for another one. Bye.